Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop Instagram videos and reels from autoplaying. The step-by-step guides show you how to disable autoplay on Instagram to save data, reduce distractions and improve your phone's performance. You can easily minimize or disable autoplay. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Here click on three horizontal line against top right corner. Here scroll down and go to You and Media section. Scroll down and here you will find your app and media. Here scroll down and you will find the option Media Quality. Tap on it. Tap on Media Quality and here you will find the option Use Less Cellular Data. Using less cellular data may affect your experiment on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So turn the toggle button on to enable this feature. After enabling, your photos and videos may take longer to load, and